Hey, Kyle Colbert, and I'm here with my dad, Dr. Don Colbert. And if you're ready to transform your energy and transform your health with the Keto Zone lifestyle, then you are going to love this new package that my dad developed.
This package contains effective supplements to make the transition to burning fat for fuel, and it makes it simple, effective, and enjoyable. First up, we have Fiber Zone. This is a unique blend of soluble and insoluble fibers that's fantastic for supporting your gut health, keeping you regular, and helping you feel fuller for longer. Just mix 1 scoop with water or your favorite smoothie. It's that easy to stay on track. Next is MCT Oil Powder, one of my personal favorites. This is a clean, sustained energy source that can replace your morning coffee creamer. And the best part, it comes in delicious flavors like hazelnut, chocolate, which is my favorite, coconut, and vanilla. It's not just healthy, it tastes amazing. We also include instant ketones powered by GoBHB. These are designed to help you enter ketosis quickly and stay in the fat-burning zone. Use these when you need an extra boost to stay on track. Of course, no Keto Zone journey is complete without the Keto Zone diet book. These guides are packed with recipes, meal plans, and tips to help you succeed. They'll show you how to enjoy satisfying, delicious meals while staying in the keto zone. We also have included pH strips. These are so helpful for monitoring your body's pH levels and keeping your body balanced as you transition into ketosis. And finally, we've included a shaker bottle, which makes it convenient. Whether you're mixing Fiber Zone, MCT Oil Powder, or instant ketones, this bottle makes it easy to stay on track no matter where you are. This package has everything you need to get started and succeed on your Keto Zone journey. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about transforming your energy, focus, and overall health. Let's make this your best 21 days yet. And as I've always said, there's no zone like the Keto Zone. I've developed these packages to meet you wherever you are in your health journey, wherever you're under 50, you just started, or you're over 50, or you just want to maintain. We've made it easy for you to do and you to continue doing it.
So let's make these 21 days a life-changing event. Remember, there's no better zone than the Keto Zone.